Hi guys, I'm gonna be doing a new color because no one is commenting, and I know I just posted this. Anyways, yes, guys, your eyes are looking droopy. Anyways, we got this thing. Okay, so I think I'm gonna be doing these two colors, or maybe this. And okay, I know what I'm gonna be doing. I know what I'm gonna be doing. Okay, guys, I gotta be quick here. So I'm gonna, you know what I'm gonna be doing? Putting the stars here. So I'm just gonna pause the video. Okay, guys, I'm done. You know what I'm gonna do next? I'm just gonna put some foundation on. Okay, so I think I'll start by the darkest blue. I'll just go like this. I know it looks purple, just don't comment that. Dun 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 dun. I've been wondering where I am. Ito hits na ko para Blackstar. Because then I'm gonna be doing it again. Just here. And then I'm gonna do it here again. Guys, just ignore him at the back. Guys, now, yeah, I know I've been going faster, and I'm just not feeling well anymore. Cause I don't get it. Girls on YouTube, they just smile and they get 1.2k likes. Or for me, we like put so much work in our videos, and afterwards we like 2 likes. I don't get it. I don't know why people are like this anymore. That's why life isn't fair. People just at least want 1k subscribers, but you get 200 of these subscribers.